Hello everybody, you on the channel How to Use It. We continue to learn about Google Spreadsheets. In that video we learn about drop-down list, how to faster fill some cells. It helps us for that. How to do a link to some cells, how to use formulas. We previously something saw about it, and filters. It is very useful things during work with your spreadsheet. So, for example, I delete some of this name and let's do our drop-down list. I press right-click on our mouse or go to context menu, view more cells actions, and data validation, and we can choose list items and press for example Rob, name 2 and others, or we can choose some range from our table. I press on this icon, select data range, and for example highlight this range and save. After that we can choose, and I can copy it for these cells, and we can choose any options from this list, for example in that way. So it's so easy, but if you want to fill your table without mistake, it helps you in a fast way. And if we want to make a link to some data to another list, then I go to list sum, for example, type equal, go to sheets 1 and choose Bob, enter, and we can see that we have formula that link to the sheets 1 and get some data from cell B2. We can pull it down and get all this data from these sheets, from B4, B5 and others. And let's imagine a situation when we have to count whole salary, each employee. I press equal, or I can press on that icon and choose sum. And I automatically have this formula. We can type it manually with using our keyboard, but if we can use more faster something, that I think we have to use. And we switch to sheet 1 and for example highlight this range, enter, and we have a sum, total salary for this person. And in the same way we can pull it down and find all total information about salary every each person. And let's try to understand how to use filters. I input row above and name these columns, and for example I want to filter some of our employees. Let's pull it down, and I highlight this cell and press to this create a filter. We have a filter of both these columns, and for example I want to off some of names or clear, and choose for example Bob, name 17 and name 20. Okay, and I can see the salary only this person. So if it's helped you, press like, subscribe to the channel and go to the next video what you can see on the screen.